are going to be teaching you how to swim. So we started as beginners, right? So 2023, we had made a vision board. And we were like, once and for all, we're going to learn how to swim. Because we didn't know how to swim.
It's been a long time coming.
Right. So Evie here set us up with British Swim School. And we learned how to swim in 3 lessons. So we're just going to teach y'all what we learned. And hopefully it's helpful to you. So first things first, you want to get comfortable with the water. So you're going to submerge, mouth underwater, nose underwater, and then put your entire head underwater for 5 seconds. Okay, the next skill we're going to learn is how to float on your back. We never thought that we could float. Yeah. We never thought we could do it. But as soon as we learned to do it, we were like, that is so easy. So simple. So the number one thing is to keep your chin up. So whenever you're floating on your back, if you tilt your head back and keep your chin up, that is step 1 to success.
So you can notice here that I have my chin up. The way I float, I kind of do a little bit of maintenance with my arms and legs, just kicking really softly. If you know how to float without using any other thing but laying on your back, please let me know in the comments, because like I said, I'm still learning. And then here are the twins doing the same as well. We just like to float, and you know, this is the way we know how to do it best. So the key is to keep your chin up, like we said, and you want to make sure that you don't panic. I did a little experiment in the water. I kind of like started moving my legs and arms, and I did immediately start to sink. So don't panic, keep your chin up, and you can do a little maintenance if you need to starting out.
So here I'm just using my legs, not my arms at all. Chin up. Nice and relaxed. And I'm going to sit down in a chair to get up. Okay, so same thing here again. Swimming with chin up. You want to make sure your hips are almost parallel to the water. Nice and easy. And on this one, notice how she'll sit down in a chair to get up. Just gonna sit and stand up. Perfect. Next, we're gonna go over how to utilize our arms while we swim on our backs. So we'll do this thing called T, soldier, monkey. T, soldier, monkey. T, soldier, monkey. I'll show you how it's done. To streamline. So you're going to stack your hands like this, bring them up over your head. You can either push off the wall or just glide against the top surface of the water, either way, but we'll go over this and then we'll add the next step later. So we'll go here. I'm not gonna push, I'm just gonna glide. And I'm gonna put on my block goggles. So we'll start here. And Okay, this is an example of the push off. And this is an example of a two-leg kickoff, which you can also call the Spider-Man. Just gliding across the water. Now that we've learned how to streamline, we're going to add Barbie legs into it. So basically, if this is your legs, you're gonna have to ballet toes, keep them very stiff, and go Barbie legs, Barbie legs. Our favorite. Okay. Alright, now it's time to put it all together. So we are going to start with this streamline, glide across the water, come in with the Barbie legs, Barbie legs, Barbie legs. Then we are going to take 3 strokes and breathe. One note to keep in mind whenever you're breathing, when you pull your head out of the water, you want to lay on that arm that you're breathing from, if that makes sense. I'll show you in a second here. But when I take a breath, I'm really just gonna lay to the side and bring my mouth and nose out of the water. Same thing with this side. I'll lay to the side and bring my mouth and nose out of the water. Today. We hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful to you, no matter where you are in your swim journey. If there is anything that we were doing wrong that you think that we could do better, or any skill that you'd like to see us practice, please let us know in the comments. Like I said, we are total beginners and we only had like 3 or 4 lessons, from not knowing how to swim at all to learning how to swim. So we're still beginners ourselves.
Just remember to practice, 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 because practice makes perfect, and it's never too late to learn.
Yes! Well, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, the next. What are the keys?
I don't know. You're going so fast.
So the next thing we're going to do is incorporate the arms and swimming backwards, right? So we're going to do a motion where we do a T. Is that correct? All right, let's run it back. Let's run it one more time. Because I was starting